In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this kind of movies using free AI tools. So I have already created one which I'm going to show you in the next second.
You sold my laptop, Amaka.
I had to.
You sold my laptop without asking.
I had no choice.
That was my only source of income.
You might have come across these kind of videos that are going viral on Facebook Reels, YouTube Short and other platforms. In this video, I'm going to give you the exact way you are going to be able to create this kind of videos. The main purpose of creating this video is for you to be able to create a short movie that you are going to be posting on your Facebook page or any other platform, so that you are going to use it in order to generate income. So as you can see already, I have prepared a prompt for you which I'm going to leave in the description of the video. So once you just copy the prompt, you are going to paste it on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to write a short movie scenes for you, which you can see now. After pasting the prompt, ChatGPT has already started generating the movie scenes for me and the characters, and also what the characters are going to say in the movie. So now you can see I have scene one, which they said the scene is going to be in the living room, and also the characters, I have Tunde, I have Amaka. So in the script, the first character, which is Tunde, is going to say, "You sold my laptop, Amaka," angrily, and he's going to express his actions. So as you can see, the scenes are arranged accordingly, and what all the characters are going to say, and also how they are going to act. After having your own generated movie scenes, if you don't like it, you can ask ChatGPT to regenerate for you, and it's going to give you different story, different actors names, and also different actions. Now that I already have my movie script, the next step is to start generating images, which I'm going to convert those images to videos. So as you can see, here is the second prompt, image generation. You copy from the prompt, you see that I want to start creating the characters of the movie. So you see I said create a realistic Nigerian movie character portrait, this and that. So you just copy the prompt, then you navigate to Wix AI, which I'm going to leave the link of this AI in the description of the video. So now once you open it like this, the next step is to set this dimension or aspect ratio to 9:16. so this is for short videos and Facebook Reels. So once you have it this way, then the next thing is to paste the prompt which says create a realistic this and that. Once you see it like this, then the next step is to just click on this arrow that shows to the right, then you wait for the image generator to generate the image for you. So sometimes it might generate something else which you might not like. Just click on that arrow again, it will regenerate another images for you, which you can see. I will check again if I will have more better characters than this, then I'll go with the new generated image. So now I think I'm going to select this one at the top or this one at the down. I think let me just check the one I'm going to select to take as my first character. Okay, let me take this one. You click on this arrow, then it is going to download the image character. As you can see, it has downloaded already. So the next step now, since the first one is a woman, now you see I just edited the same prompt. I changed the woman to man. I just removed the who, then I leave the man, and you can see it has generated another character for me, which is the Tunde, or the second character of the movie. So now I have selected this one, I have downloaded it already. So now I'll be doing something that's going to give me consistency in the characters, so that it is going to change the characters faces and other things for me. So now you can see I'll be deleting everything I wrote in the description here. Then I'm going to click on add images. Once I click on that, then I have these options to add images of the subject. So I click on upload image. Now I'm going to select the first character of the movie, which is the lady. So I'm going to click on it, then it is going to analyze the image for me and save it as my first subject of the movie. So I'm going to click on plus again to upload the second character, which you can see I'm going to select the Tunde. Then now it is going to analyze it for me. Now if you check down, there is scene section, which I'm going back to the script to see the first scene here. It says living room, which is supposed to be your first location where your first characters are supposed to act. So now you can see the second one says kitchen, and the third one says hospital corridor, and the last one or the fourth one says living room again. And you can see I have already selected my characters. Now I'm going to generate the scene, which is the living room, but I'm going to put it to be Nigerian living room. Then I'll put evening to make it look somehow like in the evening. So now I will click the generate, and now you can see it has generated a very good living room Nigerian style for me, which already the two characters have been selected. And also if you check, you are going to see a yellow mark. So now you can see I have already generated a image which says the lady sitting while the man is standing looking at the lady. So now you see that is just the thing. Now I have generated an image using that same living room with the two characters in the living room. That's why it is good to add images as your subject and also the scene. So now you can see Amaka is going to look nervous, and she will be avoiding eye contact while answering Tunde after he asks her, "You sold my laptop." So now I'll be navigating to Gemini Gen AI. This is where we are going to bring our images to life. So once you are on this AI, which I will leave the link in the description of the video, you click on image gen, then you scroll down. You are going to see there are options here which says you should select video generation provider, which you are going to go with Grok. Then you scroll down here, you are going to see where it says image reference. So now we are going to select the first image we generated. I'll click on that, select file, then it is going to take me to my gallery, which you can see. I'll scroll down and select one of the image. I have selected it, and now it has added the first image we generated, which the two characters are inside that sitting room and they're about to start the argument or the action. So now what is the action? Now the thing is, you know, in the script they already gave us how Tunde is going to act and what he is going to say, but this AI don't know who is Tunde. So you are going to delete the character's name and write maybe the man standing and talking. So that's what I'm going to write to differentiate Tunde and Amaka. AI maybe might not recognize who is Tunde among them. So now you can see in bracket I'm going to put Nigerian voice to make it sound like a Nigerian talking. So now you can see this is the prompt I'm going to give this AI to bring my image to life, and it is going to be a very good one. So now after doing that, you scroll down and select portrait 9:16, and then now you click on generate with Grok, and you are going to verify that you are a human. Then it is going to start generating your image or your video for you. That image is going to be converted to video. So after waiting for some time, you will click on history here. After clicking on menu, you click on history. Then you see this is the video that has been generated using that image for me. Now I'm going to click on the play button in order to play the video to see what the actors are saying.
You sold my laptop, Amaka.
I had to.
You sold my laptop without asking.
All right, you see this is a very good one. I have already generated the first clip, which you can see. Now the next step is to follow the same procedure with the image you will be generating. Like you are going to be generating those images the way the actors are behaving, what they say. You are going to keep on generating images, and you keep on coming here to bring them to life. So this is where I want to make Amaka to look like she is crying, and she display like, maybe let me just type the prompt here, the lady crying and shedding tears. with a pity face. Yes, I want it to look more emotional so that the movie will look more real, you can see. So now I'll click on this generate with grok, then I'll wait for it to generate. This is the same process you are going to keep on using to bring all the images you generated to life. Then I'll be going back again to click on history now to check if the video has been generated. And now you can see, after scrolling down, you can see Amaka is now crying from the prompt I gave it. And now you can see I'll be able to play the video to see if it is what I want. Then I'm going to scroll down. You are going to see the download button. Just click on it, then the video is going to be downloaded for you. So now let's summarize everything. The first step is to get this video script or the movie script, which after prompting or after sending your prompt to ChatGPT is going to give you a script like this. Then you see all the characters have their action, how they are going to behave, and also what they are going to say in the script. So now I think let me just show you how to get the second scene so that you are going to follow the same process to get all the scenes. So first you take the scene. Since you already have your characters created, if you come to Wix AI, you can see we have selected the first character, the second character. Now on the scene, we are going to delete this scene because we are done with it. Then we are going to generate another scene, which is the kitchen. So you can make it to look like a Nigerian kitchen, or just put the kitchen as they said. Then it is going to generate a very good kitchen for you. So you just wait for it to finish generating, and once it is done, it is going to display for you. As you can see, now we have our kitchen. So this is where we are going to start our second scene image generation. We are going to start generating all the parts where the actors did this, that. As you can see here, we selected the first character, the second character, and the scene. Now if you check down here under these three images, you are going to see kitchen is there. So now we are coming back to the scene where it says Tunde is frustrated, holding his head, and he is going to say help by destroying my work. So now, since we are generating image, the only thing we are going to take is the action, like what is Tunde doing. So now you can see Tunde. So I'm going to remove Tunde and just see the man, because we have two characters selected, that is the lady and the guy. So now I said the man. So if this image generator want to generate, it is going to select the man among these two characters and make the man hold his head while he is frustrated, as the action is in bracket. So I hope this is very clear. Just understand it. If you don't understand the video, you watch it again, you are going to get the process. You just keep on following the same process. After putting the scene, then you allow the characters. As you can see, the image has been generated and the way I want it to be. Now I'll just download this image. After downloading it, then I'll go back to Gemini Gen AI and convert this image to video. So now you see, this is the way you are going to keep on doing it. You are going to get this movie clip by clip, then you go to your video editor and start putting them the way they are supposed to be. So now you can see here where it says Tunde is going to say help by destroying my work. Then I'm going to just take what Tunde is going to say, then I'll navigate back to Gemini Gen AI, then I'll select the image. After selecting the image, then I'll write what I want as the prompt. So after selecting the image, now you can see this is where I'm going to paste the prompt, but I'm going to change the Tunde to the man. Now you can see I'll just write the man is like the man. You can see here, just look at the prompt. I'm not going to be reading it as I'm typing it. So you can see the man is frustrated in bracket. And now what is the action? What I want this AI to make the man sees help by destroying my work. So now you can see, if you put it in quotes like this, the AI will know this is what you want. then you put Nigerian voice, then and close it in bracket too. Then now you can generate this part of the clip. So you take this clip accordingly, then you go to your video editor and put them the way they are from your video script. I hope this is very clear and I hope this is very helpful. Don't forget to like the video, and if you don't understand some part of it, don't forget to ask your question in the comment section.